boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Teacher Shelley Belly here. Can you believe the crazy weather we have had over the last 3 days? I wanted to call you guys at about 1 o'clock. The whole sky above me and ahead of me was stratus clouds. Stratus clouds were everywhere, and I knew rain was coming. But when I got home, it wasn't just rain. It was hail. Hail, the rain droplets were hard and I could hear them on the deck, and I stayed inside because I didn't want them to fall upon my head. Thumbs up if you saw that. Thumbs up if you saw some big cumulus clouds yesterday. I saw a bit of that too. Now, when you mix cumulus clouds with nimbus clouds, which are the really stormy clouds that go thunder and lightning together, I found out there's another long name for a cloud called cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus. That's the cumulus cloud mixed in with a thunder cloud. So maybe we'll hear thunder and lightning. Wow, so much weather happening in the spring. Now, do you remember our water cycle song? Boy, is it a long one. If you can rap that whole song and tape yourself, I would love to see it. So let's give it a try. I know the chorus is pretty easy, but I'm going to try giving the verse part a little bit of rap, okay? So you see if you can stay with me. Here's our picture. Remember the water cycle. The sun warms up the water. Water evaporates just like water evaporates from a glass of water or from a mud puddle. It goes up into small little water droplets, and those droplets go up, 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 and then condensation takes place, and then a cloud forms, and then when those droplets get super heavy, they fall down as precipitation, and that can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Hail upon my head yesterday. Back down, and then it starts all over again. Okay, are you ready? Sing with me. The water cycle takes the water, moves it up and down, and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water, moves it up and down, and all around the earth. Evaporation comes when the heat from the sun warms up all the groundwater, and it turns into water vapor. Condensation takes over, it goes up to the clouds. Water vapor cools down and it changes to a liquid now. Precipitation happens when the drops get big. It falls like rain and snow and sleet and hail upon my, you got it, head. I know it's the water cycle happening again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, everyone. The water cycle takes the water, moves it up and down, and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water, moves it up and down, and all around the earth again. And hopefully you can keep watching the YouTube song of that, because they do it much better than Teacher Shelley. Alrighty, water cycle, go up to the sky for now because we are going to read our letter. But first of all, stick your bums. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands to the side and wave them to and fro. Put them right together and around and round. Hide them under your bum so they can't be found. Super glue the right cheek, super glue the left cheek. Stick, 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 stick. Clap hands in your lap. Okay. Pointer stick. Think of one for me. Someone said orange. Okay, I'll pick orange. Ta-da! What two colors make orange? Red and yellow. You got it. Okay, here we go. It's a French day. It's Thursday. I hope you can see my letter to you. Here we go. Actually, let me move you over a little bit closer. There we go. Bonjour, garçon. A, B. No L's, just B. Excited! Say, what is Thursday in French? Do you remember? Jeudi. Jeudi. Mardi is Tuesday. Jeudi is Thursday. Stop sign. We will speak French. Excited! That means Teacher Ode has some work for you. We will learn about, oh my goodness, this is a really long word. You ready? Me, ti, or, all, lo, just. Let's clap it out. Me, ti, or, all, lo, just. 6 syllables. We haven't had a 6-syllable word for a long time. Wow. Okay. We will sing the water cycle song. Excited. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. I love you. Okay. Oh my goodness. March is gone. Does March come back? March comes back in 1 month, 1 day, or 1 year. Okay, I heard you say year. 1 year. And that's how long it takes the Earth to go around the sun. 1 year. If your birthday's in March, don't worry. In about 365 days, it will come back. Speaking of birthdays, holy guacamole, look at all the birthdays in the next month that begins with an A. April. Let's clap it. April. And I think Teacher Melissa introduced you to April yesterday. April 1 or April 1st. Okay, now it was a sunshine. So I made a pattern that I gave to Teacher Melissa. Did I say Teacher Rachel? Teacher Melissa. And the pattern has 3 different things that you'll have to remember. So, but I wanted to make sure we don't forget all those April birthdays. So I'll go ahead and tell you who has them in April. Braxton has a birthday in April. I think it's the 5th. And Harlow the 13th. Eva the 21st. And Lily from the afternoon class, 23rd. And Amaya, the 27th from the morning class. And then Kyla from the afternoon class, it's the 28th. And then Teacher Christy, way down here, I did a cupcake instead of a cake. She is April 29th. So those are our birthdays. And I will try to remember to get a birthday book to you guys that have birthdays in the month of April. Are you ready to count? We don't have very much to count, do we? We've just begun the month of April. So far we have the number 1. So 1, 2. Now I have weather pictures. So, any idea what I picked? Do you know that yesterday when I listened to the weatherman, he predicted snow. Can you believe it? So number 2 is snow. Of course, I didn't see any this morning, but that was the prediction because the temperature must have gone down 32 degrees or colder. So April 2nd, we don't say April 2, we say April 2nd because we're lining up numbers in order. 2nd, can you say that with me? 2nd, 2020. Okay, good job, my friends. All right, weather belly, what will the weather be? Weather belly, what will the weather be? Weather belly, what will the weather be on this springtime day? Oh, April, you're so crazy. Partly sunny and cloudy today. I think I'm going to say partly sunny and cloudy today. And I'll mark that on my weather graph. I think Teacher Melissa had a weather graph too. That's pretty cool. I think she started over though. I'm still waiting to get to the top. Partly sunny and cloudy, and windy is ahead by 1. And the temperature is 39 degrees. Now I want to ask you, my friends, do you think it's going to get colder or warmer on this spring day? Do you think the temperature is going to go up or down today? We'll have to predict that. I think it might go up. think in your mind, what do you think it will do? And check the temperature in a few hours with your parents and see whether the temperature has gone up or down. All right, my friends, next thing, today is what day? We talked about it. We said Judy, right? And Judy is, sorry, I'm not very prepared here for my days. There we go. Judy is Thursday. Now, do you remember what color Thursday is? Blue. You got it. Tomorrow will be Teacher Melissa's day, Teacher Christy's day, Teacher Ode's day. Teacher Shelley will be in the office planning for next week. All right, you guessed it, Friday. What color is Friday? Purple. All right. Yesterday was Teacher Christy and Teacher Melissa's day. Starts with a W. Wednesday. What color? I'll give you the count of 3 to guess what color. 1, 2, 3. Ah, I heard someone say red. Ah, wait a minute. I heard someone say green. Ta-da! Green. You're right. All right, good job, boys and girls. Okay, so we have a question. Question for the day. Okay, this was from our story on Monday. What shape did little Cloud turn into when he went on the head of the clown? What shape of cloud did little Cloud become when he went on top of the head of the clown? Okay, you got it? Is it H-A-T? Hat. Pat your brain. Great job, my friends. Alrighty, guys. In our next video, we're going to learn all about being a meteorologist. So, I would like you to, you can get out this piece of paper from your packet about being a meteorologist. And then you'll need the map with some weather pictures. You'll need a map of the USA because we're going to play weather person. And then I want to play a part of a man. So I've got my suit on. And I tried to find a tie in my husband's closet, but he's not really a tie guy. So I couldn't find a tie. But I'm going to be dressed up as a weatherman, meteorologist. And either boys or girls, you can dress up as a boy or a girl. You can wear a wig if you want to when you're going on TV. Because when you go on TV, you know, you got to look fancy, right? So get ready to be a meteorologist. And I will see you in the next video, okay? Au revoir, mes amis. Au revoir, mes amis.